Hello everyone, Mark here. Hope you're all doing well and having a nice Christmas. Today I thought I would share my Christmas present with you guys and do an unboxing on this awesome Traxxas TRX-4 Sport. Now this is the unassembled kit version. I'm not going to be doing a review. I'm not even sure I'm going to be doing the whole build on video because I just really want to sit down on my own, enjoy building this over Christmas, but obviously I will share the project with you guys as it continues. So let's just get it out of the box and see exactly what we've got. Now this is one of the few models that I've not actually researched too much. Obviously I know a lot about Traxxas anyway and about this vehicle, but I've not watched too many videos on the unboxing because I actually want to see everything for myself firsthand. So I'm quite excited to actually open this up and get it all out. Such a nice box. Traxxas always do a good job on their packaging and stuff like that, and it's one of the reasons why I do love this brand. Now I know they have their downsides, guys, but any Traxxas owner will know they are a great brand, and for good reason. Okay, so let's open this up. Figure out how to open this up. Okay, so actually give you a quick walk around the box. There you go, some information on there. Like I say, it is the kit version, so don't come with any electrics, but it comes with an awesome accessory kit. Some more specifications there. If you actually want to see it, you can pause the video. But yeah, I just want to get this open, so let's open it up and see what we got. Wow, these wheels are much bigger than I thought, to be honest. Okay, so hopefully you can be able to see this. Wow, these tyres are massive. These are much bigger than I thought they would be. Now these are 1.9 inch rims. Them tyres are nice and gummy. I'm not going to be using these rims. They look okay, but I've picked up some stunning aluminium beadlocks. This hopefully give you a nice closer look. Look at those. Well, nice. So yeah, I'm going to be using those on this model. But yeah, 1.9 inch rims and tyres. Nice tread on there. Very gummy. I think the foams, yeah, foams are in there as well. Foams are a little bit hard from what I've been seeing from other people's videos, but yeah, I quite like that. That's quite nice. This is built as a crawler, guys, but as people know, the TRX-4 is such a beast. It has bulletproof transmission, so this ain't going to be going slow by the time I finish with it. I'm putting a pretty quick 3,300 kV motor in here, so yeah, it's going to be shifting. Lovely bag of bits. Now I love that they don't come on any spurs, that it's all nicely cut. There's no little bits of plastic hanging off, so yeah, really cool. It's got light buckets and everything like that. Like I say, guys, I will be showing more of this project, but I'm not going to be doing the build on camera because I just want to enjoy the build itself. But yeah, look at that. Lovely light buckets, bumpers, very, very cool. You got some accessories in here like scaled crawling equipment like spades, fire extinguishers, fuel cans, everything like that. Let's get the body out. In Traxxas style, nice solid body, kind of pro line quality body, pre-drilled holes, all laser cut as well. Everything's laser cut, so it's done to a very nice standard. Very cool. Loads of bits in here. So some of the gears, full ball bearings as well, and it's got portal axles as well, so the axles are not straight across the centre of the rim. Another awesome bag of bits. I love the fact that they're not on like the spurs or splines, whatever you want to call them, so I ain't got to snap things off of things and then cut it down to make it all look nice. It's all pre-done, which is good. All my tie rods and stuff like that, all once again the tie rod ends are already on the pole, so I haven't got to do none of that. Just cuts a little bit of the time out, which is good. Them taking away the little fiddly bits is good. The axles, more ball bearings, axle caps here, all very nicely done. Not too keen on the red, might change them out for maybe blue or silver, we will see. A bit more of the chassis here, battery tray, motor mount, screws, bits and bobs, receiver, fully waterproof this vehicle. More ball bearings, there's a lot of ball bearings. More actual parts, gears, etc. There's a lot here. Drive shafts, cups. Awesome, some nice shocks. These shocks look nice as well. Now, yeah, these are threaded coil over shocks, aluminium, nice quality. I won't be using this shock oil. I'm not sure what weight it is. I think it's 30 weight. Traxxas tend to go with a 30 weight as stock on most of their vehicles. I'm going to be putting some 20 weight in there. Okay, so we've got some grease here, so that's going to be the diff grease and stuff like that, pretty sure of it. More gears, nice solid gears. I think they're steel gears as well, which is why these TRX-4 has bulletproof gears. Well, they're steel as well, that's definitely steel. Let me check. Yeah, look, steel chassis frames, so nice, not aluminium. These are going to be super strong. Very, very nice. This is actually going to be a bigger model than what I was thinking it was going to be. Now, last thing is the manual. Let's try and get the manual out of everything without anything falling on the floor. Okay, let's open this up. One thing with Traxxas, guys, their manuals just always blow me away. Super high quality, high detail. So let's see if this one is any different. So obviously this is the kit. So yeah, look, everything, colour, highly detailed, loads of instructions, step-by-step build, super quality manual. So not only is this good for when it comes to building the vehicle, this is also good for when it comes to obviously maintaining the vehicle as well. But once you've built something like this, it really does teach you a lot about the vehicle. If you buy ready to run, you've got to then take the vehicle apart to actually really learn about the model. But being in the kit, you learn as you go on. So yeah, I just wanted to do an unboxing. I've got a lot of things coming for this vehicle. I'm going to be putting a nice hobby wing brusher system in there. I've got a winch coming. I've got loads of scale accessories coming. I will show you bits and bobs of this build as I go on. Got a nice paint job coming as well. Yeah, really looking forward to cracking on and getting this done. So I hope you're all having a nice Christmas, guys. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.